Hola clase, vamos a hablar de ir a más infinitivo del verbo para el futuro simple. So we're going to talk about how you can use ir a in an infinitive verb in order to produce essentially a simple future tense. Again, I am using a copy of what is actually your worksheet quiz. So if you want to pause this video and go open the worksheet quiz in another tab, feel free, or open this video in another tab and then open that so that you can go along with me, feel free. Great, let's get started. So we all know ear, good old ear, means to go, has a weird old conjugation with these V's, voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, and van, right? But the thing we sometimes forget about ear is that it can be used with verbs to express that you're going to do something or someone is going to do something. And you can use this for what is considered a near future event, something that's going to happen within about 24 to 48 hours. I am going to study Spanish. Yo voy a estudiar español. Ella va a ir a España. She's going to go to Spain. Okay? To do this, you conjugate ir. As you can see, they conjugated ir, voy, va, vamos, and van. Then you put a, just like you always do after ir. And then they left the main verb in the infinitive form. They didn't conjugate it at all. So I am not going to do these ones as examples because on these, you are literally just conjugating ir. You're just using the conjugation, and I already gave it to you not only on this worksheet that I'm showing you, but it was also at the top of your worksheet quiz. So for these 6, you literally just have to conjugate ir. You don't have to do anything else. They already gave you the in the verb. Okay? Just conjugate ir. If you have a question, you can come see me. I am going to do this bottom section with you because sometimes people get confused by the directions. So here we have some simple present sentences, and we're going to change them to simple future using this ir a infinitive. So we have ellos dan una fiesta. They give a party. Okay? And instead of saying they give a party, we want to say they are going to give a party. So we are going to start with ir. We're going to conjugate it. So for ellos, ir would be van. Okay? Then we're going to put our trusty a, van a, and then we're going to change the verb we had here to an infinitive verb. So dan comes from dar. So we're going to put dar, D-A-R. Ellos van a dar una fiesta. They are going to give a party. And let's try the next one. Llegas tú temprano? Do you arrive early? We want to change it to, are you going to arrive early? So we need to identify our subject, which is tú. And we're going to conjugate ir for tú. So we're going to have vas. Then we're going to have our trusty a. And then llegas comes from llegar. So we're going to put llegar. Double L-E-G-A-R. Vas a llegar tú temprano? Are you going to arrive early? Yo escribo una carta. I write a letter. I'm going to write a letter. So yo voy, conjugating ir, a, and then escribo comes from escribir. I-R. Okay? Una carta. Nosotros vamos a las 8. We go at 8. We are going to go at 8. So Vamos is also going to be how we conjugate our ear. And we're going to do ah. Well, what's the infinitive form for vamos? Well, it's ear. We're going to go, and that feels weird, but we say it all the time. We say it. We're going to go in English. We just don't think about the fact that we're using go 2 times. Vamos a ir. All right, Gloria presta atención en clase. Gloria pays attention in class. Well, Gloria is going to pay attention in class. Well, to conjugate ear for Gloria, we're going to have va. And then we have a. Presta, you can see it's an AR verb. So we're just going to have prestar atención en clase. Los alumnos toman apuntes. They take notes. They're going to take notes. Van, because it's alumnos, it's like they. A, is our trusty a. Toman, it's an AR verb, so tomar. If you have any questions about this, it's relatively simple. We've been doing it since Spanish 1, but if you are like, I still don't get something, pregúntame. Otherwise, buena suerte. Adios.